Is blocking dismissals illegitimate? While a recent order of the Labour Court of Rome, February 26, 2021, extends the prohibition on dismissals for objective reasons, as per law April 24, 2021, number 27, a recent ruling by the Spanish Labour Court of Barcelona states that dismissal for justified objective reasons based on the economic losses suffered as a result of the pandemic is legitimate. He adds that the prohibition on dismissals established by Royal Decree March 27, 2020, number 9, similar in content to the law in force in Italy, violates the freedom of corporate economic initiative and is contrary to European legislation. The motivation of the sentence is interesting and topical because the extension of the block is currently being discussed here. In fact, it is precisely the extension that is being reported as the justification for the sentence. It is not the blocking of dismissals per se that is illegitimate, but the persistent recourse of the executive to the instrument of extension. In fact, the extension thus inhibits the employer's right to terminate, which traditionally represents one of the reorganisation tools available to the entrepreneur. In this way, concludes the sentence, the prohibition is in contrast with the Spanish, Article 38 of the Constitution, and European, Article 16 of the Charter of Fundamental Rights of the European Union, protection of the freedom of enterprise. It includes not only the right to carry out a commercial activity, but also the right to develop or reorganise, which is also provided for by Article 41 of our Constitution. The principles of law expressed by the Labour Court of Barcelona lend themselves to full application also in the Italian legal system. In fact, the Italian redundancy freeze is similar to the Spanish one. Maintaining the blockade with intrusive measures in the country's freedom of economic initiative severely limits the prospects of redistribution of the workforce and the consequent market repositioning of companies, while a freer market, even in times of crisis, can benefit both companies and workers because it has been made more reactive, flexible and competitive. Salvatore Trifiro, lawyer.